subscribe, like, quickly!
Oh, I'm going to make a cute 3D sticker squishy. Hit the like button and I'll share the full tutorial with you. Let's do this together, friends. Let's go. I've got a scrub brush ready. I chose a rough scrubber. Cut it into 4 equal pieces, each about 3 centimeters in diameter. I'll round off the corners. Hurry up! I just cut off the corners on both sides. Ta-da! I've prepared all 4 of them nicely and round. I prepared 4 different colored slimes. Let's open the slime. Oh, isn't the color absolutely gorgeous? These stretchy, springy slimes that stretch like cheese will be combined with a round sponge. You have to press firmly with your hands to get the slime into the holes between the scrubber bristles. I'll prepare 4 sheets of plastic wrap and wrap it up for you. Please make sure no air is left inside at this point. Trim off any unnecessary tape sections and secure them with tape to prevent them from coming loose. I prepared some thick paper. I've sketched it out simply with a pencil. Now I'll finish the drawing with a black marker. Drawing Sprunki Simon. Oh! I'll draw a cute pinky on the left side. So cute! This time, I'll draw a chic gray. Yeah! I'll draw the Sprunki 3D sticker letters with a thick outline and color them in. Oh no! I left out the C in the spelling! Oh dear. I'll make the outline thicker to emphasize the picture. Hurry up! Time to cleanly erase the pencil lines and add color. Pink. Let's have fun coloring! Yay! Yellow. Gray. Wow! Adds rainbow colors to the letters. I'll finish the drawing by adding dotted lines around the paper border. I'll finish the drawing by adding dotted lines around the paper border. I'm going to draw with a black acrylic pen. The surface is not smooth, so please draw the line multiple times to connect it. Who will be drawn on the purple ball? Take a guess. Draw 2 horns and fins too. It was the cute duffel, you see. You know who the green ball is, right? Big round eyes and a pointy head. That's right, it's Owax. I'm going to draw an orange on the orange bowl. Isn't that cute little haircut adorable? Haha. Four adorable Sprunki balls are complete. Now let's finish finish the 3D sticker book. Oh, let's play with it.
No.
Wow, this is so much fun. Hey everyone, don't these Sprunki 3D sponge stickers look super fun? Making your own squishy ones would be really fun too. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button. Bye!